Hello YouTubers, Victorinox fan here with another video, but this one is being shot while traveling. Currently, focusing inside the macro or not. It is Thursday, May 26th. The time approximately 5 to 5 in Geneva, Switzerland. Yep, shooting this on Eurotrip for you guys because, well, as you can tell, there's a Victorinox bag in front of me. Now, why is there a Victorinox bag in front of me? Well, I visited the Victorinox flagship store. Now, who on earth is actually surprised by that? It's pretty straightforward. So, I did pick myself up a little something for, let's say, to commemorate my trip. And I just wanted to show it to you guys while I still have it here. I picked up two things, obviously. Earlier in Paris, I picked up a nice Lamy Studio, Lamy Studio Palladium fountain pen, gold tip. I like pens, and this was a nice little present for me, but I wanted a knife. So I finally managed to got around to buying one. Leather case, separate. Clasp, no Velcro, much nicer than the Swiss Tool Spirit case. Thicker leather too. I got myself a Cybertool. Got the regular see-through red scale here, and my name on the back. Yep, finally got something to commemorate. So, quick first look. Obviously, I have to show you the tools. Forgive my makeshift tripod, which is the table. So you got your blade, full size. Both are quite sharp. You got your small blade, again handy. You got a large pair of scissors for a multi-tool. Like, I think these are larger, or at least as large as the Swiss Tool Spirit, maybe a little bit larger. Nice ones, they work, good to have. Sold my Swiss Tool Spirit to a friend. Ethan needed it, so I needed a new multi-tool, and I decided to give this style a try. Pliers. I don't really use pliers that frequently, so we'll see how this gets used. Here's something that really I thought was cool. It's a little screwdriver. Right now there's a Torx bit in there, but it has a few extras right here. And I'll see if my other heads from the other screwdriver fit in here. That would be sick. Then you just got your regular can opener, and then your bottle opener flathead. On the back you got your, what do we have here? God damn this. Oh, nail nicks on the other side. You got yourself an awl. Then you got yourself a hook thingamajig that I don't know what I'd ever use for. And a couple of cool things. Wine opener, but at least a cork opener. Cork openers are really fucking handy in Europe, especially in countries like France where you pretty much just drink wine. You can get bottles of wine for like €1. Yeah, that's kind of what college students just drink there because it's so cheap. So it does come in handy here. Little eyeglass screwdriver, which is nice. But yeah, that's about it. I mean, you got your tweezers, you got your toothpick, you got a little ballpoint pen. But other than that, here is the little thing I bought for myself to commemorate. I did buy one more Swiss Army knife, but that would spoil the gift if I showed it. So yeah, you won't see that. Victorinox Swiss Tools, well, Victorinox Cybertool. Had to go back to my roots sometime. Peace out, guys. See you around.